welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm just kind of doing the basic everyday things that need to get done every single day, which involves like dishes, vacuuming, just tidying up. And I did get this to-do list that I want to start using because I want to start blocking out my day. I have set a goal for myself to read for an hour a day, code for 2 hours a day, tidy up my house every day, do 1 load of laundry every day. Today I'm going to do multiple just because there's so much laundry. And I just want to get like all of the stuff done, so I'm just going to fill out my to-do list, block it out. Actually, yeah, this one has blocks. Like right here, it has like the time blocks. Obviously, there you go. The camera likes to focus on my face. But it's currently like 9:30. So I want to get that done so I can just get into today and get everything done. Now that my to-do list is basically done, on it I have washing dishes, vacuuming, washing tables, laundry, doing the cat boxes, reading, and then coding. So I want to get that done, and like I said, I have all day to do it, so I'm not going to like pressure myself. And obviously these code blocks, you can tell where my mind is. So here is my to-do list. I have washing dishes, vacuuming, wash table, laundry, do litter boxes, read, and code. Now, the thing about these is these are divided into hours. It's not going to take me an hour to wash the dishes or vacuum. So I do mainly use this as just a to-do list, and I absolutely love this planner for the day because up here it has like top priorities as well as get to do section, which are things you might be looking forward to, or you can even use it as like a shopping list. And then I love this where it has I'm grateful for. That way you can have like a little bit of joy in your life or like positive affirmations. You can start planning what you want to do tomorrow. And then on this side you get breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And I just thought this was super cute. And up at the top it has like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all that stuff. And my little pen mark to test my pen and the date. Now I did purchase these off of Etsy from a fellow YouTuber. Her channel is Living the Life You Love, and I will link her stuff down below because she has so many cute things. She even has like bookmarks, which I also got. Oh, so close. Hi. I got some bookmarks. I also got a meal planner, like a weekly meal planner from her, and they're super, super cute, and I love the colors. They're like a nice neutral color. And I don't know, I'm trying to make lists, I'm trying to get my life together, but yeah, I'm gonna start tidying up because I can talk forever, guys. Also, I might tidy up my office because it has once again become full of stuff. So the first thing I'm going to be doing in my office is just cleaning everything up off the floor because a messy house, a messy mind, and I feel like the clutter on the floor definitely does not help. I did put everything back on my shelving unit. I have tons of craft stuff. I'm not going to organize it today like I mentioned, but I will do that another day. I also had a ton of cleaning stuff around from a sponsorship that I agreed to, and I just wanted to get the floor tidied up because I do plan on vacuuming. A couple other areas I do want to get done in my office is I want to clean off my desk as well as my vanity. So with the vanity, it is a complete disaster. There's just stuff everywhere. Shiloh has been coming in here and playing with my makeup and practicing her makeup skills, playing with my perfume, and she's not the tidiest human, and that's okay. She's 9, and I don't want to repress her creative makeup skills if that is what she wishes to do. I do think I'm going to have a special drawer just for her and her makeup, and a do not touch drawer of things that I've spent a fortune on because makeup is not cheap. But yeah, that is something I just want to do. And as for my desk, like I mentioned, there was just tons of stuff on it as well. And these are things I use, but I should also put them away. That is something I need to get in the habit of doing.
'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
So my office is all nice and tidied up. There are some areas that could use a little more tidying, but I'm not going to worry about that today because I just want to get the rest of the house basically done and clean. I'm just going to be doing the basics, like things you're supposed to do every day, no deep cleaning. Next I'm going to go do the dishes, wash the floor up there, and just kind of tackle that. I might make a pie. I did buy like pre-made pie crust as well as pie filling, and I kind of neglected the previous pie thing I bought. It was a Pillsbury like pre-made dough, and I let it expire and I was very heartbroken. So I don't really like pie, but Jerry likes pie, so I like to make him things because it makes him happy. But yeah, let me show you my nice tidied, semi-tidied office. So when you first walk in, there is like no clutter on the ground, and like yes, that could use some decluttering, but that is kind of just like overstock of stuff. And then my desk is all nice and cleaned off, which is super helpful since this is my workspace. And then I have the new book I bought as well as my to-do list over here and my bookmarks. And then this is another area that could use some tidying up, but most of it is art stuff, crystal making stuff, Etsy stuff, things for my small business. Vanity is all nice and clean. I do have a couple books over here that I purchased recently as well. I do plan on doing a book haul, so stay tuned for that. And I absolutely love this rug, and it is so pretty and pink. And then over here is another area that I will tidy up another time, but these are all crystals from my little Etsy business. So now that that is done, let's get into this kitchen and just kind of tidy up, clean it, wash counters, make a pie, and yeah. So in the kitchen, you guys have been following me for a while now. I always get the dishes done and wash counters. So that is the first thing I'm going to be tackling. The next thing is I will be vacuuming instead of sweeping, just because I'm trying to have time for other things today. So I did vacuum the kitchen as well as the dining room and living room, as I always do. I try to do this every single day. And there weren't too many dishes today, so I'm kind of happy about that. I need to start doing them before I go to bed, kind of like closing my kitchen again. I kind of got out of the habit of doing that, but it is something I enjoy doing. Regardless of what time I wake up though, there's always dishes in the sink because someone is always up before I am. And to be honest, Jerry also does the dishes more often than I do, but because he works so much now, I find myself doing the dishes more, which is perfectly fine. But some of the things that I usually clean did not need to be cleaned. Like I did not have to wash my stove, I didn't have to wash my fridge or my cupboards. So today was just a really relaxed, laid back cleaning day for me and just basically maintaining my house.
just one mistake that made you think about what life can be like without me in it. I still thought it'd be you and I until we die, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times.
Once again, my couch is completely torn apart and blankets are everywhere. This is something I try to do every single day because I cannot stand what the couch looks like when it is torn apart. And as I mentioned in my previous videos, Julep is still scratching my couch, and it is very, very sad because this is not a cheap couch. I don't even remember where I got it, but it was like almost $1,000, and I am trying to protect it with my life. Even though I love my cat, I really do not love her claws. I have tried nail caps and things, and she still scratches at the couch every chance she gets. So unfortunately, the couch covers and plastic will stay until she learns to scratch scratching posts. But as for the update with Julep, like I said, she is still her crazy self. Here, I actually unplugged my vacuum on accident. It was plugged in the kitchen, and it also got knotted, so when I pulled the cord, it completely unplugged, so I plugged it back in and just continued vacuuming.
And I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know,
That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in another clean with me as I talk your ear off. But anyway, I do want to incorporate some more lifestyle into my channel, things I enjoy like coding, reading, things like that. I do want to do a book haul, so I think that'll be my Monday's video. And if you liked today's video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. I will leave my Etsy down below, my friend's Etsy down below, if you want to get some of those, what are they called? To-do lists and food planners, meal planners. I'll link her channel down below. She has an amazing channel and cute cats. You guys know I'm a cat mom. Always in for the cats. But anyway, I look forward to talking to you guys all down in the comments below and seeing you all in my next video. Bye!